Me and Kyle at the Wawa, we're leaving Torici. This is round 2. The first round I went to look at that Gixxer, and that Gixxer sucked. So now we're looking at a 2021 Ninja 400. A bit less power for sure, but I think that's what I should stick with, honestly. I don't think I need a ton of power. Look at this guy. Thanks for the drive, my dude. So, we'll see if we get it. I'll let you guys know, and we'll do some B-roll on the way there.
Right on the West Coast kid. Holiday road.
That hill. Look that hill, kid. Alright. Cool. Okay, if I get lost, I promise I'm not running away from you.
You're good. I had your buddy here.
Cool. It's so light. That's crazy. Nice. I'm buying this bike for sure. Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, fuel gauge.
Fuel gauge and then the temp gauge.
Oh, does it have a temp gauge?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There, the temp's right there.
I swear I'd never heard anyone say they had a, you get the whole neighborhood coming around.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Yep.
What's up? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get pulled over fucking 10 times. It's all good. I actually can't believe I have a sport bike. It's like not real. It's crazy. It doesn't sound bad. Let's go, people! Oh man, this thing's gonna be a good life. This thing's gonna have some fucking fun. Guys, we gotta get some gas, but this thing feels good, bro. We're not overheating. We got 3,000 miles. I got my brand new red sport bike. I know it's not that crazy of a sport bike, but it is for me. It feels great. It feels so smooth, man. Bro, this thing is like so cool. Woo! We did it, lads. This is what we worked overtime for, baby. Let's go, son. Let's go. And like, I can't even believe like I'm sitting on something that's like mine. That's like a sport bike. Like that doesn't even like make sense. I don't know how to convey that to you guys, but it's just like I'm so used to hopping on Kyle's bike or someone else's, you know. And now like I got one. Wow. I mean, what can we say, you know? What can we say, people? What can we say? Look at this. I got a full tank, dude. I can finally actually ride and not have to worry about stopping at a gas station every 5 minutes. No hate, KLX, I'm just saying. Bro, you have to ride this thing.
Probably because the tires are so small.
Yeah, dude, maybe. This is fucking tight.
These mirrors stick out like...
They're going right away. I need your look at that fucking Carolina squat, brother. All right, guys, we're gonna take pictures and stuff. We're gonna fuck with the kid. What's up, fine shit? Boing.
I don't know.
Boing.
Here.
Yep. Oh yeah, I got no plate either, which is probably not the best idea. So I probably should put it in the back. Maybe we will in like an hour. But I want to ride it right now, so I'm renting it right now. You know. My visor down, it's already down. This thing's clear. Wow, this thing feels good, man. Man, this thing feels really good. Are we recording? We're recording. Let's go. It shows you what gear you're in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what we live for, people. Yep.
Texas Roadhouse is like an hour away.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to Texas Roadhouse. Can this get any better, dude? Honestly. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. That's the only thing that would be bad. Like really bad. Not gonna lie. But let's not talk about that. Dude, we just hit some insane bumps. I mean, like, I feel like I was gonna get thrown over the bridge. Ridiculous bumps. But we're still here. Alright guys, we made it to Texas Roadhouse. There's 2 cops literally right there, and I got no plate whatsoever. So what the hell? Yeah, you know, it's pretty cool. Come on in. Alright. Appreciate it.
Like the shirt, man.
We got bread, brother.
Trying to sync up my truck.
I'm trying to stinky like this bread, brother. We gotta head home now. We got some food from the Texas Roadhouse. We need to get away from these cops really bad. Baby's looking like a Ducati. Holiday Inn, we got no hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. Almost home. We gotta get some gas for a college truck since he drove me and whatnot. Some gas for this since it's already well, it's at 2 bars. It's doing good though. It's doing real good. Look at her, guys. Look how beautiful. Can you get any better than that? I don't think you can. What's up, partner?